So I have a PS4 motherboard. Uh, just turns on and off. You press the power button, beeps, shuts off. That's pretty much what it does. Hear the fan for like a second, and that's it. Haven't really ever tried this. I know with the PS3 you could use a heat gun and do what they would call a reflow, heat the chip, and hopefully whatever issue it's having, I guess with the solder and everything, with the heat and everything, it would at least temporarily fix issues with the PS4. I haven't seen any, I guess, test or people trying this on YouTube. So pretty much I'm doing this because I'm bored and I have this board that doesn't work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat it up, let it cool off, put it back together, and see what happens. Hopefully we get a working motherboard using this old PS3 trick, I guess. Hopefully it works out. So let's see what happens when I start heating the motherboard up. So what I usually like to do is just kind of heat the board a little bit everywhere. More real method here, just trying to heat the board so it doesn't kind of warp. Obviously, if you have some kind of contraption that kind of fixes it somewhere so it doesn't kind of warp and stuff, but really that important, just playing around here. So even if it does warp, it's not really important. So I know with the PS3 you would just kind of do a circular motion on the CPU and GPU, and after I think about 2 or 3 minutes, you just stop and leave it cool off. So I'm just trying stuff here.